little bit of oil and gas in my fuel saw. It's one thing I like to do out in the springtime. Now weather's all nice, sun's flying. One of my favorite things to do is carve my chainsaw. Sorry folks, I had to get my tool to get these caps off. Always a pain in the butt, which everybody knows that. But started on this bear the other day, and it started snowing or raining on me. Actually, a little bit of both. But started it, and then got to feeling crappy, so I haven't been able to get back on it till just now. A week probably. It's been sitting here, but it's coming together slowly but surely. Kind of my life, slowly but surely. But yeah, I guess I've been going through cancer for about, I'd say going on 6 years, messing with skin cancer, brain cancer, all kinds of the shit. I'm tired of it, to tell you the truth. Tired of being in and out of the hospital. It's nice being out in this nice sunny day. But yeah, I want to make some videos on my carving just to let everyone know that just because cancer has you doesn't mean you can't get stuff done. I'm not gonna let it get me down, that's for sure. Other people, they just sit around and let it take them. I'm not gonna do that. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do a little bit of chainsaw carving, and hopefully you guys can take it, maybe start your own chainsaw carving. It's not that hard to do. Everybody has to just learn steps on doing it. What I do, I always just start from the top of the head, just kind of get an idea of, how the head's going to start on anything. You're going to start from the top and work your way down, which I did, as you can tell. But I got my oil in there, or my gas in there. I just got my oil in also, I think. Yeah. Started talking and forgot what I was doing. But here we go again. I'm going to start carving again, see how this ends up. I'm starting on the arms now. I got the head mostly done, but as you can tell, working from the way down, just kind of look at how the arms are starting on the side, and then you work your way down your back, and then you see a leg start running out. Kind of depends on how you want it to end up, on how he's going to be standing. It's kind of the hard part of it, to tell you the truth, but just kind of got to eye it out and see what it looked like for real, how a bear usually stands, or whatever position he's in. But I'm going to start again on it and see how far I get here. You guys can watch me as I go. There we go. Oh, jump it.